What's going on, guys? Today I bought some products for my car. I just made a quick run to Walmart and Autozone and just bought what I could find. But today, yeah, I'm actually gonna wash my car. There's my boy's Nismo 350Z. And there's that car. Now we're probably gonna tackle both cars, but to start it off, so I bought a foaming sprayer. I bought this from AutoZone. I might return it. It was pretty pricey and I don't really think it's gonna be that great because it connects through a hose. It doesn't connect through an actual pressure washer. I also bought a wash mitt just in case. Bought some microfibers and also bought some spray wax. I really recommend this brand. Out of all the spray waxes I've used, this is the one that comes out on top. Really works. You get a lot for it and it's only like $5, I believe. But my car as it stands right now, it got pretty dirty with these last few days just because of all the driving I've been doing. You hear all the bugs I've ran over. Can't really tell on video, but yeah, it's really dirty. Look at all that on the wrap, on the windows as well, on the spoiler. So I'm gonna show you guys how to properly clean your Z or your car in general. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so was gonna use my pressure washer over there, but had to improvise. Something went wrong with it. I don't know. It's not starting up, so I'm gonna have to go old-fashioned hose. First thing you want to do is hose down the car, rinse it off, make sure all the dirt, the grime, basically get it all wet and moist, so that way when you soap it, everything's good. Go ahead and go to if you have one, some sort of spray or foam gun, get your soap, put it in a little container. So with this one, it says you have to put 32 ounces of water, but I'm gonna do half and half. So let's go ahead and pour a bunch of soap in there. Don't top it off, but it's good enough. Close up the container. Once the car is all soaked up, you're gonna wanna grab your microfiber mitt if you have one of these. Make sure before actually touching the carpet, make sure you actually wash it down first before using it. If it's your first time, make sure you wanna get off all the dust and stuff, or whatever, the particles and all that on it before you touch the car. Then you're just gonna wanna rub down the whole car with the mitt. And like I said, make sure the mitt is clean before using it. All right, once your car is all soaped up, scrubbed off and everything, you're gonna wanna hit it again with the hose or a pressure washer. And I forgot to turn on the water. You can see all the soap fall off. Make sure you get every inch of the car again. Once the car is all rinsed off, go ahead and get a microfiber towel and start wiping all this water off. And get the car all dried off. Make sure you get some actually good brand microfibers. These are from Walmart. It was like 30 a pack for $5, and these are trash. These are horrible. Car is all dried off. Last part is the wheels. So for the wheels, I'm actually going to be using a different colored microfiber. That way I can tell the difference between which microfiber I use for what part of the car. You're going to want to make sure you use a different microfiber for your wheels, because all the brake dust and grime from the wheels will actually get on your body if you use the same towel and cause scratches on your actual body of the car. So get a different color microfiber towel. That's how I identify what towel goes to what part of the body. So yeah. Once the whole car is dry, go ahead and hit it with some spray wax if you have any. Using spray wax actually helps with the car a lot. Keeps the paint really good. There's a bunch of stuff there. There's a bunch of benefits to it. You're gonna want to make sure you spray small sections of the car at a time. So a little spray, get your microfiber, and then just wipe. Make sure it's all wiped off. And yeah, do that to the whole car. After spray waxing the whole car, the car looks so much better. It's not even sunny outside and you can see all the reflections on the car. Ooh. So fucking clean. And just to finish it off, I went ahead and bought this stuff right here. Bought some interior cleaner. This car actually needs really good interior cleaning on the carpets, as you can see. That side not so much. Maybe on the seats a little bit. So I'm gonna try this shit out and see if it works. Go ahead and spray it down. Let's go ahead and right there as well. I'm gonna do the sides as well. Didn't realize you can remove the brush, so go and hit it one more time. Go ahead and hit this side really quick. Oh my gosh. All right, whatever. Okay, whole entire car is clean. Did the interior as well off camera as well, because that shit was time consuming. We're gonna hit my boy Francisco's car now. It's hella dirty. Like him. What? Your car's not even that dirty, so.
You said it is, the front end. Twin turbo.
What? His car's all clean too. Yeah, it looks really clean. And all we use was just some basic stuff you can buy like at AutoZone or Walmart. If you guys enjoyed the video, give me a like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Thank you for all the support lately. I'm open to video suggestions, so in the comments, let me know what you want to see next. Just let me know. Go and follow me on Instagram, 6Z34. My Instagram name will be in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much. Peace.